Hello guys, I just got this new box. My dad brought this for me. See? Now I'm unboxing it. Wow, it's such a nice Lamborghini. It's really hard to get out from there. Okay, I removed this. So there are batteries in this. See? This one doesn't need batteries, or maybe it does. I can't just find the batteries. Anyway, so but I'm telling you that I already charged this before. So now I will play. Okay, I will play. I'll keep the box here so you can know which one it is. See, you can see it. You can see the car. This car is very good, no? It's very good, no? Let me turn on something. It makes a lot of noise. What's even this supposed to? So does it run on the wall? It does not. So that's a big lie. That told this car is supposed to revolve like. See, my car has no circle, but this one has it. So this one is a different car. Okay? But it's very fun to play. It's very fun to play with this. It's very fun to play. I like it. This is my new toy. You want me to target at this and go full speed? Okay. And full speed. Wow, that is good. Can it go on? Can it go on? Nice jump. So that's what this can do. Okay, bye guys. No, not bye yet. Let me try if it makes noise on the ground. Oh shit, I am very sorry. Seems like my car broke, I think. Sorry, my car broke. I can't show you a good video.